that video, we will see how to make calculation with Diabolus to define the correct insulin injection. Hello everyone! To make calculation with Diabolus app, first of all, it's necessary to launch it. As I already have an account, I activated the fingerprints. It is faster than password, which is composed with uppercase, lowercase, numbers and special characters. When you are in the main page of the app, you have three solutions to have access to the calculations. First one is in the top left menu where you have the link Sugar Calculator. Second solution is push on the injection icon in the middle of the screen. The last solution is push on the plus icon in the bottom middle of the screen. In all cases, you will have access to the calculation page. Now we will make calculation for breakfast. As I didn't make the video the morning, it's necessary to select breakfast in the top right of the screen and change the time at 8:22 for example. We shall populate the glycemia at 155 mg per liter, but the unit can be changed into millimole per liter in your account. You won't need to implement target, sugar sensibility and ratio because they were already implemented in your account when you created your account. When parameters are done, we can push on the button on the right side of the field sugar quantity. The breakfast will be composed with oat flakes, banana, milk and black tea. We will start with oat milk flakes, where we will have 50 grams. The second field is banana, but banana pulp raw because it's not dry and you don't heat the skin. The weight is 100 grams. The milk is pasteurized semi-skimmed milk. If you don't write pasteurized, you will have the list of all type of semi-skimmed milk as you can see there. With weight at 160 grams. Next one is black tea. (210 grams). White sugar, the words can have any arrangement. About the milk in the tea, I will add it to the existing semi-skim milk and I will add 90 grams. Everything is done now, then we can push on the Calculate Now button to return to the previous screen. The calculation were done because sugar quantity was implemented automatically. Then we have insulin dose, correction and total. We can also have a look on the food list if you push on the View Ingredient button. If it is necessary, you can modify food list if you push on the button in the right side of the sugar quantity field. The last thing which is necessary to do, it is to populate the rail injection field, because if you will do sports, for example, or if you have closed loop pump, it will be necessary to modify the rail injection in comparison to the calculated total insulin dosage. Then we will write 7.5 units. And now you can push on the save button to record your meal and calculations. You can have a quick view on your record if you push on the monitoring button in the bottom middle right of the screen. Here it will be possible to implement the postprandial glycemia. We will select the correct meal because I already record 2 meals for today. Then we will select breakfast. When it is selected, you have the calculation you recorded for that meal. Here we will write 115 milligrams liter, and we can see the eaten apple icon change from dark to light with the implementation of the postprandial glycemia. If you made mistake for the glycemia, you can change it with new value and saving. Now you know how to make calculation with Diabolus application. In that video, we will see how to make calculation with Diabolus to define the correct insulin injection. To don't miss that video, don't forget to subscribe there. See ya!